Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina-ke ngicela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke mangabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze kulungele-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizolo ngikufakela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ngaphuthi izindaba ongenza nje manje ukuthi-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba ngilethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana-ke sekuphume-ke isimemezelo-ke sivela-ke laphana-ke kwi-MK e-Western Cape-ke laphana-ke ngodaba-ke luka-George Hlophe-ke laphana-ke u-Vice President we-MK laphana-ke. Lesimemezelo makufundela sona-ke sithi hands off Dr. Hlophe, calling all MK party members and Dr. Hlophe supporters to meet at the Western Cape High Court Friday, 6 September 09:30. Bring your MK party paraphernalia. The court will hear the matter pertaining the appointment to the Judicial Services Commission of MK party leader in Parliament Dr. Mandla Kayise Hlophe. The frivolous challenge was brought by right-wing and racists like the Democratic Alliance, Freedom Under the Law and Corruption Watch. The racist Vanguard of Afrikaner Settler Interest AfriForum has brought a separate challenge in the Constitutional Court. There can be no legal basis of the court to reserve a decision democratically taken by the elected representative of the people of South Africa. Defend our democracy. Bese ibhalwe kanjalo-ke isimemezelo-ke sikhishwe i-MK-ke laphana-ke kuthiwa-ke bawolelwa-ke uDr. Hlophe-ke laphana-ke. Mina ngizokucela kuwe-ke laphana ukuthi nginama-comments-ke futhi ubhale-ke ukuthi wena ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke mesiceza nebhathini nje subscribe nje akubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje ezolokulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje.